Ancient sahis of the city, each depicting key events from Ramayana, such as Ramajanma Niti in Kalika Devi Sahi, Yagya Raksha Niti and Nishana Sobhayatra in Harichandi Sahi and Matimandap Sahi, Parshuram Kalaharan Niti in Harichandi Sahi, Vanvasha Niti in Markandeshwara Sahi, and Sitachori Niti in Kundhebenta Sahi. It continues with Lankapudi Niti in Duramandap Sahi, while Setubandha and Ravana Baddha Niti in Bali Sahi. It concludes on 22nd April 2025 with Rama Abhishek Niti in Godabada Sahi. Coinciding with Ramanavami on April 6, this event will be filled with bhajanas, Ramalila, and religious festivities, making Puri a spiritual and cultural hotspot. So, this time, let's experience the ecstatic adventure with the magic touch of pure devotion. Jai Jagannath.